Yes guys, next topic is projection of, in that projection of straight lines inclined with one of the plane. Inclination, that is makes an angle with the planes. Here the planes horizontal plane and vertical plane. In that a line which is inclined to one of the plane and with other plane it is parallel. Okay, so the concept that we have to remember, when the inclination is visible, when it is inclined to the horizontal plane, when it is inclined to the vertical plane. If a line is inclined to the horizontal plane, in which view that we can able to see the angle, that is the main concept. Here if you see that this is a line which is parallel to both the planes, this is the initial condition, and after this we are making that whether it is inclination with the horizontal plane or inclination with the vertical plane. So here that we have to consider the first case, inclination with the horizontal plane. This is the initial position, a line which is parallel to both the planes. This is the initial position, there is no change. The front view is a line and the top view is also a line, and the line has a dimensions of this line or a span or length is the same in both views, the front view and in a top view. But whenever we are making inclination to the horizontal plane, that is the first case, whenever we are making a inclination with the horizontal plane. So if you see that this inclination that we can able to see in front view, inclination with the horizontal plane, inclination with horizontal plane we can able to see in front view. So then the view in a front view, this is inclined line, but in a top view is a horizontal line, that we can able to see a horizontal line which the length is decreased. The length is, while it is inclination with horizontal plane, length reduces in top view. So these are the conditions that we have to remember every time. When a line is inclined to the horizontal plane, that the angle that we can visible in front view, and the line decreases in top view. Decrease means reduce. The length, it looks like a decreased length. So that is. Then we can solve one problem related to this inclination with horizontal plane. Remember, when a line is inclined to the horizontal plane, the inclination we can able to see in a front view, and the line decreases. It seems to in a top view it reduces the length. So let me do the problem, and here a 80 mm long line AB, that the AB has a length of 80, has the end A. As we know that the length, a line has two ends, A, B. So end A at a distance of 20 above the horizontal plane, the 20 mm above the horizontal plane, and 40 in front of vertical plane. The 40 in front of vertical plane. The line is inclined, as the line is inclined 30 degrees to horizontal plane. So here one thing that we have to observe, the end A is at a distance of 20 above horizontal plane, 20 above horizontal plane. So we have to relate this horizontal plane data and the inclination to horizontal plane. These two we have to relate. The first we have to draw is, as we know that X, Y, XY reference line, and here the 20 above horizontal plane. Let me do this. Here it is a line and here it is the horizontal plane, and this is a point which is 20 above the horizontal plane. The distance is 20 and this is the end A, and the length of this line is 80. They are already given 80, and angle they are given that 30 degrees to horizontal plane, 30 degrees to horizontal plane, and this is a true length that we call it as TL, true length. So this is the position, line inclined 30 degrees to horizontal plane, and the point A is about 20, and the next one 40 in front of vertical plane. That means the distance from the vertical plane to this line is 40. This is the final position. In a front view that we can able to see a inclined line, is a inclined line, and in a top view we can say a horizontal. Of course it is a slope, but in a top view we can able to see a horizontal line which is reduced in dimension. It is not a true length. In a top view it is not a true length, it is not 80. Okay, so this is what we have to represent it here. Before going that, we have to know the initial position of a line. Actual initial position of a line is parallel to both the planes, then only we can make an inclination. Okay, so let me do this. 20 and A is 20, at here the end A is dash. So this line here we have to start a line which has 80 mm, that means 8 centimeter, and the angle is 30 degrees. As I told you that the inclination with the horizontal plane is in front view, so it is vertical plane, so it is front view, and this is horizontal plane, and this is top view. So we are drawing in front view, right? So here this is 8 centimeter line, this is the dimension line 80, and the angle we have to measure, guys. The measurement of this angle is 30 degrees, as we have a set squares. By using that set squares, and this is at here, the end, second end will come at here. So this is the reference line for second end, that is B dash. As I say that it's a B dash, no problem. So this is what that we are able to see in a front view. And coming to the top view, that is 40 mm in front of vertical plane. This is a line which is 40 mm. So that I am taking that this is a 40. As we know that whenever we have a projection in a front view, this is the same projection will come in a top view. That means the same point will come. A dash is the projection of A, B dash is the projection of B. So that I am taking here, it is A. As we know that in a top view, it is a straight line, it is a straight horizontal. Of course, it is a slope, that, but in a top view, it looks like a horizontal line. Okay, and this is the projection of B dash is a B. And this is a projection line, guys. So that I am not taking in a highlighted one, and this is the line in a top view. You see, you just observe here, this is the line which we looks in a top view AB, and in a front view A dash B dash. So this is the concept how we are drawing inclination with one of the plane. As I told you that this is the final position, then what about the initial position of this line? Before inclination, it is parallel, right? So that I am taking a parallel, I am taking a compass at A dash and B dash, A dash, B dash, I am taking an arc. And this is B, 1. As I told you that A dash, B dash distance, just I am taking parallel. You see at here, this is the line which is inclination, and this is making a parallel. Parallel means we are taking an arc. That's enough. And this is a front view. And what about the top view after parallel? This is a parallel. This is B1 dash and this is B1. Just projections, no need of any joining lines, nothing. This is the total inclination with horizontal plane. And the next problem, that is inclination with vertical plane. In some cases they are not giving direct angle, they will give other dimensions. So with the use of these dimensions, that we can find the angle also. Then let we do this inclination with vertical plane. They are not given angle. So let me see. A line AB is 65 mm is parallel to and 20 above horizontal plane. It is parallel to and 20 above horizontal plane. We know this. And its one end is in VP. If you observe here, whenever the concept comes about in VP, so there we have to draw on the reference line, that is X, Y. In means it is in horizontal or in vertical. So we have to draw, we have to start from the reference axis. So while the other end is 40, one end is in vertical plane. If you see here, and this is imagine this is a vertical plane, and this is the end which is in vertical plane. Other end is 40. Other end is 40 in front of vertical plane. So one is like this. So that we can understand, this is the line which is inclined to vertical plane. Inclined to vertical, because this is a line which is parallel to horizontal plane. They are already given is parallel to horizontal plane. So they already given that parallel to horizontal plane, and is in, while we are getting the data, that we came to know that is inclination to vertical plane. As they are asking that same, find its inclination with the vertical plane. So I will try to draw it here on the same reference line. Yeah. We can draw on a same line, no problem in a final exam or in a mid exams also. So yeah. So 20 above horizontal plane, that I am taking 20. We have to maintain a gap between the question and question, the problem to problem. So it is a 20. So if you see this, while it is inclination with the vertical plane, the inclination we can see from the top view, and the line reduces in front view. As I will write it here for this. Inclination with vertical plane, that the angle we can see in top view, and the line reduces the length reduced in front view. The same, this is inclination with a vertical plane, so that we can able to see a horizontal line, but it is a reduced length. So we don't know the exact length of that in a front view. So that's why I am taking in a top view, and this is, you just see here that I am trying to draw the other end, that is second end. Okay, because the first end is in VP. So this is 40, and here it is A dash in front view. The projection of this front view, the projection of this point front view is nothing but a top view. So what they are saying is one end is in vertical plane, that the end is, that I am saying, I am taking here it is A. If you observe clearly, the end A is in vertical plane, that means on the xy axis, on the xy axis, and the other end is 40 in front of. Other end means somewhere at here, somewhere on this, because already I took this is 40 mm, right. So, that I am considering this is the length is 65. So, I am taking a compass with a distance of 65, that means 6.5 centimeters. I am placing needle at here, as I already have a length of 40. On this line somewhere I will get the second point, that the point is B. So, I am taking 6.5 centimeter compass distance, I am placing needle at here, I am drawn an arc on this reference line, and this is the point which is B, and I am joining these two, then I will get the angle. Here this is the angle theta, and here it is the angle phi. We have to find it. By using a set square, you just find this value, how much it will get. So, yeah, and this is a top view. One is on vertical plane, one is 40 and the length is 65, 6.5 centimeters, and this is the top view, and the front view that I am projecting this B to here. So, this is B dash, and this is the line which we get. This is the final front view. So, inclination with vertical plane. So, as I told you that this is inclination, after inclination front view and top view that we drawn, before inclination that is a parallel. So, as I told you that take a compass A, B, draw an arc from here to here, draw an arc, the distance of 6.5, just draw an arc, and this is B1 and this is B1 dash. The simple inclination that we are satisfying all the conditions in a problem, inclination, after inclination, before inclination, after inclination. These are the two conditions that we have satisfied in this diagram. Thank you.